This is what it looks like when you remove the trim. Basically, there's retainer clips like these, and then the major one is behind here. There's a 10mm bolt that bolts into there. And there's your airbag there. And your rear window defroster. Now that I've got this off, you can see real clearly all the retainers that are on there. This one's the most bizarre. It's a T15 screw. I can't really figure out what purpose that does, but they didn't want that coming off because when it's in there like this, there's not a lot of room to unscrew it. And then, like I said, the 10mm bolt going through there. And that's what the trunk looks like. Out the back seat, it just goes straight through. To remove this back tray, there's a pop tab there and there, which is a lot like the Crown Vic. Once you remove those, it actually pulls forward to come out. So you can see that gives you access to your rear speakers, the center seat belt, whatever that sheet is there, as well as your trunk light.